In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding, moving to a new platform, or simply taking a break from your online presence, cancelling your Godaddy website is a straightforward process. But there might be a bit of hesitation or confusion about where to start. Fear not. I'm here to guide you through every step with clarity and ease. First things first, let's head over to the Godaddy website. Here you'll find the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. This is a crucial step to ensure that you have full access to the account associated with the website you're planning to cancel. Type in your username and password carefully. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it. Godaddy provides straightforward instructions for resetting passwords, ensuring that you can regain access to your account without too much trouble. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Website section of your account dashboard. This section is where all your website management tools are located, making it easier for you to make any necessary changes or updates, including cancelling your site. Next, locate and click on the Edit Website button. This action will take you to the back end of your Godaddy website, where you can make modifications, update content, or, as we're discussing today, initiate the cancellation process. After accessing your website's back end, look for the Settings tab. This should be easily found in the top right corner of your screen. The Settings area is where you can fine-tune your website's functionalities and, importantly, where you'll find the option to unpublish your website. Clicking directly on the Settings tab will take you a step closer to cancelling your site. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several options, but your focus should be on finding and selecting Unpublish. This action is crucial as it essentially removes your website from being accessible online. It's a significant step toward cancelling your website, as it effectively takes your site off the grid, ensuring that no new or returning users can access it. It's important to note that unpublishing your site is a key part of the process, but it's also reversible should you change your mind later. Godaddy stores your site's data for a limited time, allowing you to republish if you decide to return. However, if you're certain about your decision to cancel, unpublishing is the preceding action towards achieving that goal. I want to highlight a few considerations while going through this process. Ensure that you've backed up any important content or data from your website before proceeding with cancellation. This is crucial, as once the site is fully cancelled, retrieving specific content or data might not be feasible. Additionally, if you have any active subscriptions or services linked to your Godaddy account or website, it's wise to check and cancel those if necessary to avoid unwanted charges. By following these steps, you're equipped to navigate through the Godaddy platform and cancel your website efficiently. Unpublishing your site is a straightforward process, but ensuring you've managed all related account details beforehand will lead to a smoother transition, whatever your next steps may be. In conclusion, while the decision to cancel your Godaddy website might come with mixed feelings, knowing how to do it correctly and efficiently can alleviate a lot of the stress associated with it. Remember, the internet is ever evolving, and whether you're taking a break or moving in a different direction, the skills and knowledge you've gained through managing your Godaddy website are invaluable. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Here's to your next adventure online, wherever it may lead you.